How to not show text message on lock screen on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings, and after that you're gonna click on notifications here. Click on that, and since we want to specifically not show the text messages, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here under notification style and look for messages. So just scroll down up until you see messages here. Click on messages, and then scroll down a little bit up until you see lock screen appearance. So click on show previews, and as you can see, it's currently set on always. So whenever someone texts me, it will actually show the message or what's in that message. So since we want to not show it, so we click on never here, and basically that is it. And that is how to not show text message on lock and basically that's how to not show text message on lock screen on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.